Want to change the language on your Spectrum cable box? It's easy to adjust audio, SAP, second audio program, and subtitles. This video will show you how. Audio language lets you choose the main language of a program, like English or Spanish. SAP is an alternate audio track, often for descriptive audio or a secondary language. Subtitles display on-screen text for dialogue and sound effects. Let's dive into how to change each of these. First, ensure your Spectrum box is updated, with 85% of users having the latest firmware as of Q3 2025. Recent updates include AI-enhanced voice commands. Now let's get started. To change the audio language, press Menu on your Spectrum remote, then go to Settings, Audio, Language, and select your preferred language. For SAP, some remotes have a dedicated SAP button. Otherwise, navigate to Menu, Settings, Audio, SAP to toggle it on or off. To adjust subtitles, press the CC button on your remote to cycle through options, or go to Menu, Settings, Accessibility, Closed Captioning for detailed settings like language, font, and size. Spectrum now offers real-time translation subtitles for select content via AI. Remember, restart your box if you encounter any issues. With Spectrum's commitment to accessibility, these features provide an inclusive viewing experience for everyone.